Did you know that with iOS 18, you can now record videos without stopping your music? So if you're frustrated with the fact that your music and playlists stop playing every time you try and record a video on your iPhone, then I have a solution for that problem, and it's pretty quick and easy. And before we start, if you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe to Tutor, because it would really help us out. So without wasting your time, let's start right away. Apple has rolled out the new feature in iOS 18, which will let us film videos while listening to music, and you first want to make sure that you're running iOS 18 on your iPhone. So go over to your settings, then General, Software Update, and just check out if you've updated your phone to the latest software update, which is iOS 18 at the time of recording this video. If you have iOS 18, then you can follow my steps. I'm going to open my music player here, and then I'll start playing my song. Then I'll exit this, the song is still playing, and let's open the camera app on our iPhone. And then let's start recording a video. So I'll tap on the shutter button, and the video will start recording on my iPhone. But the song didn't stop playing, which is awesome. So I'll record my keyboard right here, just for the purpose of this video, and the music will not pause or stop or similar. You can now enjoy and capture your favorite moments while listening to your favorite playlists on iPhone. If you want more similar iOS 18 tutorial videos, like this one, you can check out my iOS 18 playlist in the description of this video down below, and I will catch you in the next video.